Hi guys, happy Friday morning. We're here at Cool Classics with this amazing Passat, and it's a stunning car. We've had the privilege of doing for a wonderful customer all the bodywork, getting it all straight, back to what it was like when it got off the production line, in Manila green. Let us know what you think of the colour. Not sure if the camera's doing it justice, but it is stunning. It looks amazing. Our wonderful customers just come to collect it, taking it back to do a few bits and pieces on it, and then it's coming back for some more work. So looking forward to when this comes back and seeing the progress that's been made on it, and letting you know the story of this car. Anyway, hope that this has all made sense. Any questions, give us a call, and we look forward to hearing all your comments on this stunning vehicle and what the customer thinks. Anyway, happy Friday, have a good day and an amazing weekend. Take care.